Hi, I'm Sam.
And I'm Ben, and we're here with Golden Valley Parks and Recs Department.
We are here today with HomeRECed Olympic themed activity horse. The objective of horse is to shoot the ball from various spots around the basketball hoop. If one player makes the shot, the other player has to make the exact same shot. If the next player misses the shot, then they get a letter.
Now I must attempt to make the shot from where Sam made it. If I miss it, I get an H. Alright, now that Sam made the shot, I have to make it from the exact same spot.
Since I made the shot and Ben missed the shot, he now has an H. You continue to play the game like that until someone spells out the words horse, and then they lose. If you don't have a basketball hoop in basketball, you can use a clothes hamper and socks.
Thank you for tuning in to today's HomeRECed activity. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow.